Welcome back. Now, depending on your configuration, it's possible that you may be working on your personal computer with multiple versions of Camtasia at the same time. And as you can see, that's a possibility. For this individual setup, you'll notice that there is a Camtasia Studio 8 installed, a Camtasia Studio 2021 installed, and a Camtasia Studio version 9 installed. And in this case, the construction of the recording files as well as the project files are not all the exact same. For example, you were looking at a project created in Camtasia version number 8. And if we were to look at the properties of this project file, you're going to notice that this Camtasia project file created in Camtasia version 8 has a different file extension in the most recent version of Camtasia, which as of the recording of this video is Camtasia version 2021. Now, if you were to look at the recording file, you're going to notice that the file extension is the same in Camtasia version 8 as it is in Camtasia version 2021. So if we were to open this recording file into a project area with the most recent version of Camtasia, and we were to click OK, you'll notice that this file opens as you would any other file in Camtasia version 2021. Now, if you were going to open up this old project in a new version of Camtasia, you'll notice then that it's not going to be available in the most recent version of Camtasia Studio. Now, as of the recording of this video, TechSmith has stated that they are aware of this issue. Their suggestion is that the older project files would need to be opened in version 9, Camtasia 2018, or Camtasia 2019 to convert them into the new designation or project extension. Once they have the new extension, they can then be opened in more recent versions of Camtasia Studio. We will undertake that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.